Tesla heating and air conditioning is really a scam. As long as it runs tens of thousands of dollars, the air conditioner cannot be crushed. It will have any impact. It will be crushed into one piece. You have to go to 3.3 to repair it. It doesn't cost you 2 yuan, and you can't get it all.
This Model Y has an air conditioning compressor. Let's disassemble and repair it. Remove the compressor. Disassemble the end rod of the compressor, take it out and put it into the nest. Look at the east screw. It's broken. Take out the nest. Pull out the rotor and turn it. If the rotor is stuck, replace it with a new one. Put the list back and replace it with a new Donghuaxuan and Jinghuaxuan. Install the compressor and remove the heat dream. All broken down. Wash the heat exchanger and pour some cleaning agent. The water that comes out is black. Use the cleaning agent to wash the aluminum air pipe. Use cleaning agent to flush the air conditioning pipes. The water that comes out will be black. Restore the fever dream. Put it back again. Put Yasui back again.
After the duct crusher hits, first press and maintain the pressure to keep the road. After unloading, go out for labor and then add cold coal. Remember to repair the duct crusher. You must clean the heat pump air conditioner port road. Otherwise, the duct crusher cannot be used and it will be broken.